hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm here to share with you Crème Brûlée. It's a classic of French bistro, but it's also a custard that is baked in the oven and torched at the last minute with brown sugar in the flame. It can be like a dessert from a bistro, or it can become very personal and nutty. Let's make the nutty version. Let's bake. Okay, so let me introduce you first to the ingredients. Whole milk, always whole, just because it holds better. Cream, orange blossom water, sugar, and yolk. So now I'm gonna bring my milk and cream to a light boil. So here we go. Not too high heat so it doesn't go crazy. And I'm gonna mix my eggs and the sugar to make a fluffy, light mixture. So okay, so see, we are very light yolk and sugar. So now let's check on the milk. I'm gonna add it slowly to my eggs. And I'm gonna add the orange blossom water. I didn't want to add it to the milk because you don't want it to cook too much. So here, and the orange blossom gives a little Middle Eastern twist to it. Perfect. So now my butter is ready. I have prepared some ramekin and my measuring cup. So ramekins are typically crème brûlée dishes. They come in different shape. I'm gonna pour my butter evenly, if I can, to the top. See, so my ramekin are in a pan that is gonna go in the oven, and I'm gonna add a bit of water on the side. So it's gonna allow the crème brûlée to bake evenly. So now those baby are ready for the oven, 300 degrees for 35 minutes. Let's bake. So now let's check. They must be beautiful and ready. Almost as yummy as me. So now my little crème brûlée is out and beautiful, but to add some beauty, I'm gonna torch it with brown sugar. So sprinkle brown sugar on top of it. The more caramelized, the prettier it is. And now, me and my magic weapon. Yes! So see how it caramelized gently. And voila! A perfect crème brûlée ready to be eaten. Thank you for watching me today. Please stay tuned for next episode. Every Thursday we're dropping a new video at 6 p.m. on YouTube. Delightful Mrs. Azria. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.